Hey guys, I just want to show you how to download the Japan Pre-World War II lecture. So as you can see, I'm here inside your weekly agendas, inside spring week 18. And I'm just going to click on that PowerPoint button, right, or that link, and then the Japan Pre-World War II opens up here. In case you didn't want to do it this way, you could always go into the resources for World War II and then click into lectures. And then you can see that I'm reorganizing this with some more lectures that I'm making, and it's just Japan pre-World War II, and it's going to pop up there. So you just come into the PowerPoint itself, you go down to File, and then you're going to hit Print Settings and Preview, just like we always do. And then we're going to want to change this, right? So you've got a handout with 3 slides per page, and then we want to change the orientation from landscape to portrait. And it looks all good here. So we're going to go and we're going to click print. And then when we've gone into the print function, we want to double, triple, quadruple check that OneNote for Windows has been chosen. And then we're going to click print. And then we're going to come on in here into OneNote, and you can see that I'm going to pick, let's see here. There we go, where I want it to be printed to. So here we are in my history folder, and I've got all of our stuff from World War I, the Russian Revolution, and now we're in World War II. And so once again, it comes out as printout, and I don't want to do that because I want to make sure I can keep everything separate. So Japan pre-World War, oops daisy, pre-World War II lecture. And then I want to make sure that it can go become a subpage underneath that folder, just like that. So when I close it all up, it's all hiding. So there we go. Look forward to seeing you guys for the lecture. Bye.